the sunflowers, guys. We have the seeds inside, and I'm going to plant each one and then put the name after, because actually this is my first time to plant a sunflower, but according to Poots, this is how it is being planted, because he has already tried to plant sunflowers before, and it did indeed, he said it indeed it grows. So first he said it must be as deep as this, like this, and then poke, and then drop one seed, okay, and then just cover the soil, okay. So of course, IC Fit channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And then again, okay, poke, drop one seed, cover. You don't have to cover it tight. So next name is Margie. This is Margie Olveda. And then another again, same thing, same routine, same crazy things. And then Lazard Abroad, of course, who is now enjoying his vacation in Philippines. Drop one seed for who's next channel member. The bestie in YouTube, Miss Yudwish. And then next, poke another with sound effect. And then drop some more. So again, guys, if you are interested to be one of the Miss Manny Sunflower channel members, of course, the table is still open for you. Very much welcome, guys. So yeah, there you go, Matipid Lolo. So again, poke, drop one seed, and Bruce Davis. So next, who's next? Take one more pot. So actually, guys, this pot is temporary because we're still growing seeds, and this is, since we have a lot of empty water bottle, guys. Search A. No. So yeah, that's the channel member. Okay. And then who's next? Next, another pot, and Felipe G. Yan, Felipe, one of the Miss Manny channel member, Sunflower. Then poke. O, diba? It's very easy, guys. I just hope that it will grow, really. And with the guidance of Poots, actually Poots is having, he have a green thumb, guys. He can grow. As you can see, the plants that we have that he grow, really grows good. So let's see with my hand if I have green thumb or I have a red thumb. I don't know. So,
why red one?
Hot chili thumb. So yeah, these are now the name of the channel members, my Sunflower channel members. Ayan, so grateful for you guys. We're really so grateful for you, and thank you so much for the effort of staying as my member, channel member. So ayan. Oh, thank you. We still have a lot of seeds. It means it's waiting for you. Okay, let's see who's gonna be the new sunflower of Miss Manny's channel. Oops.
Hi guys! So, andito pala kami sa Antwerp, dito sa The Filipino's Choice Shop. Ayan, bibili kasi ako ng ingredients ng pangbinignit, guys, para sa Good Friday this Holy Week. So, ayan, tradition yan, especially sa mga Bisaya. Ayan, shout out. So, ayan, try kong magbili for sure. Very rare yung makita yung landang, yung main ingredients, pero at least meron ako yung ibang ingredients. And of course, aside from benignit ingredients, guys, I'm also looking for some Filipino products that I usually eat or I like to eat or I'm craving or I miss eating. So, napakahalaga yan, guys. So, for you that has a Filipina wife, you know, and then you're living outside Philippines, so this is the best gift for your wife or girlfriend.
Coconut milk.
So ayan lang, personal opinion ko lang, guys, but of course it makes a difference really. So ayan, may mga frozen products din sila dito, guys, at like, you know, chorizo, ano pa ba mga, may balot din actually dito, kaya lang nakalimutan kong magbili. At saka meron din sila mga isda dito, yung bangus. So, but during this time that we went here, the owner has not yet bought or ordered a lot of products. So, he doesn't have enough products, a lot of products during this time. So, we're looking forward to come here soon, again soon. So, because I just discovered this shop through Facebook post, and then I read some reviews and comments from Filipinos around that that bought products in his shop, that yeah, he is quite very competitive or cheaper price compared to other Filipino or Asian products prices. So ayan, napabili ako dito ng iba pang nakita ko lang kasi ano sa post. Oh, naghahanap kasi ako ng mga Filipino.
Taga rito ka rin sa...
Wala na po kayo nung saging na saba?
Yung fresh?
Opo.
Ano yun eh, wala na. So, ang darating uli yung May na.
May,
Kung gusto mo, pre-order, ilista ko.
Pati yung mangga, kasama na sila nun.
Oo, magkasabay yun. Gusto
Mag-message na lang po ako.
Sige, sa... Tag dito. Pag nag-announce kami, mag-message ka doon sa...
Okay po.
By ano yan siguro, first week ng May.
So, hindi pala yun every month?
Pinipilit natin every month.
Depende so, yun sa order?
Depende sa sa naipasok ng mga retail na order. Kasi may ipapasa natin niya sa distributor.
Ganun po yun.
Yan, sa importer natin. So, pagka nakuha nila yung quota, ipapadala yan sa Pilipinas. Let's say, ang minimum is 1 tonelada, gano'n. So, pag hindi po na ganun
may minimum
order,
pala yun.
Syempre. May minimum niya.
Pati na rin yung mangga?
Lahat. So, may minimum order yan from Philippines para maipadala dito sa halimbawa,
magkano po mostly yung mangga sa'yo?
Ang presyo ng mangga dito sa store is 22 euro per kilo.
Per kilo.
Sa ibang store, 24.
Oo, nakita ko po.
So, ewan ko, ako yata ang pinakamura, 24.
Nabasa ko nga doon sa code. Kaya na-curious ako. Punta kami dito.
And,
can you help me again one time more?
Anong klaseng mangga po? Mangga?
Saging, plantain yan.
Plantain.
You don't know that one?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so plantain.
I like this one. Is this one right? For the chicken.
Yeah, for the chicken.
It was this one that you chose.
That is nice for the chicken.
Oh, what it was here? It's here.
Yeah, like that. So, kagagaling lang pala namin, guys, sa Antwerp. So, kakauwi lang namin sa bahay at medyo nagpapahinga lang kami ng konti. Tapos, mag-unbox na tayo sa aking nabili doon sa The Filipino Choice. Ito yon siya, guys. So, for anyone who is interested or here in Belgium or near Belgium na naghahanap ng mga Pinoy products, so, pwede kayong bumili dito, guys. Actually, hindi naman siya masyadong mahirap maghanap ng mga Filipino products or Asian products na shop. Kaso lang kasi dito, guys, is recently lang namin na-discover ang shop na ito at so, pumunta pala ako doon because I'm planning to cook benignit ba. So, benignit, guys, it's a sweetened food recipe that we used to have or cook during Holy Week. So, there's a upcoming Holy Week na. So, I'm thinking to make my binignit here in Belgium version, guys. So may isang ingredients lang ako na hindi nabili, which is yung landang ba. So mismong yung main ingredients, but it's okay kasi nakabili ako ng sago. So let's see if it works. I'm planning to work to cook for it this Friday kasi most of the time kasi, guys, traditionally we cook binignit in Good Friday. So diba? So ayun. So for the Catholics na, especially sa mga Bisaya, guys, kakarelate sila niyan. Ano yung binignit or landang? So it's a sweetened dish, or it's kind of like porridge, but it's not actually porridge. So first it's made from landang, sweet potato, banana plantain, and then coconut milk with some sagu, like a cassava. Sagu is like a cassava balls, something like that. Para siyang bubble tea ba, pero hindi siya dark colored. So ayun. But anyways, may bumili din kami ng mga iba pang Filipino products na, which is na kumakain ako. Ganon yun. So alam na yun. So Tagalog tayo today, guys, kasi so ayun na nga. So actually, guys, there's shop also in Bruges, no, not really Filipino products, but Asian products in general. But mostly kasi, guys, is it's mix of Asian products na. So I'm looking for something na pure Filipino products talaga siya. So nakakita ako, meron din isa sa Ghent na meron din isang Filipino shops doon, which name is Ophel J Store. So sa Ghent yun, guys. So ito naman yung address niya. So bumili din ako ng ones doon, and so kasi dito sa The Filipino Choice sa Antwerp, guys, sabi kasi doon sa comment, na-search ko lang kasi sa Facebook, dumaan ko kasi sa Facebook, so na-curious naman ako, at saka insakto naman na may plano akong bumili ng mga Filipino products this week. So ayun na nga, tapos may nag-comment doon na nirecommend daw niya yon na shop na yon kasi mas mura siya compare sa ibang The Filipino shop. So ayun na nga, so if you are near Antwerp especially, guys, so naghahanap kayo ng mga Filipino products, try nyo pumunta doon at bumili. Tapos yung owner, yung mismong seller is very accommodating, very friendly siya. So anyway, even the shop in Ghent, guys, she's also Filipina, and she's very accommodating and friendly as well. So ito na nga, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung anong mga binili ko doon, binili namin. So kasama ko yung husband ko, pumunta kami doon. So kaming dalawa bumili. So ayan, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano mga nabili namin. So first things first is kunin ko muna yung nasa freezer. Yun yung unang ipapakita ko sa inyo para may balik ko kaagad doon. So ayan. So ito na nga, ito na ang first frozen products na nabili namin. Kinuha ko ulit sa freezer. So ito yung bangus, guys. Sabi ng seller, 2 types of bangus daw. Ang isa dito is from Indonesia, and isa naman is from Philippines itself. So ito, guys, is sabi niya is from yung 8.50 euros itong bangus na ito, pero same lang sila ng laki, guys. Same weight lang sila, 600 grams to 800 grams ay yung isa per piece. So nasa 8.50 euro ang isa nito. Yan, frozen siya, guys. So ano pa nga ba, need talaga ng frozen. Ayan, bangus to siya, guys, ha, bangus. For 8.50 euro, 600 to 800 grams weight ang isa. Tapos ito naman, this is from Philippines. Itong isa naman is from Indonesia daw to. So mas mura siya 5 euros and same timbang lang. 600 to, no, it's 500 to 800 grams daw ang isa nito. So, ayun. So, magkaiba ang price guys kasi daw is yung lasa niya is magkaiba din daw ba. Ewan ko, yung quality daw magkaiba. Itong 850 euro is from Philippines daw to siya. So, nirecommend ng owner ng shop, you know, the shop owner, nirecommend niya ito guys kasi mas masarap daw, sabi ng ano. Ewan ko anong pagkakaiba. So, nagtry na lang kami ng one from Philippines and then one from Indonesia. So, nagtry na lang kami. So, ito din guys, chorizo de Cebu. Of course, Cebuano tayo guys. And namimiss ko na talaga yung chorizo, diba? So, yung husband ko is, he doesn't like chorizo because this, especially from Cebu chorizo, guys, is sweet. So, it has a, he said, he doesn't taste the meat in there. So, actually, the chorizo is mainly, the main ingredients of the meat are like fats ba. So, ayan. So, Cebu de chorizo, chorizo de Cebu is 8 euros ang how many grams ito? 500 grams na siya for 8 euros. And then ito din taro ice drop. Parang ice drop siya ba? Coconut with coconut milk, taro daw siya guys, taro flavor. Para siyang ice pop guys, parang ice cream ganun. So 5.20 euros naman ang isa nito. Ayan. So, itong nabili ko. So, ayan, yung mga frozen products. Unang pinakita ko sa inyo. Kasi, babalik ko siya sa freezer para ipakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. So, next naman is pakita ko sa inyo yung mga non-freezer products naman. So, ayun na nga, guys. Nagplano kasi kami na mag-grill kami, diba? This upcoming summer or anytime soon. So, ayun. Perfect yung bangus. Meron na kaming bangus, guys, for the, like, it's been a long time. I feel like it's been a long time na I've been eating the bangus. So, actually, it's nice to grill bangus. So, ayun na nga, guys. And then, the owner, guys, si kuyang may-ari ng The Filipino Choice, sabi niya, he said na, pwede daw kaming mag-pre-order for Philippine mango. So, pero need niya ng iba pang mga nag-order. So, kasi sabi niya, he would need at least 1 ton or 1,000 kilogram, yata ganun, na mga Filipino products before siya mag-reorder. So, pwede rin kayong mag-message sa kanya, guys, if ever you want to order, diba? So, kasi nag-ano siya ba? Naghihintay siya na he's waiting for the orders to reach until 1,000 tons. 1 ton of weight so that he can ship the order from Philippines. So, you can message him, guys. So, you can also, any products, mango, Cebu mangoes, yeah, Philippine mango, he's accepting orders, guys, pre-orders, and plantain, banana, kahit ano, guys, na mga order nyo, pwede siya, basta kunin nyo lang. So, sabi din ni Kuya is, he can also do delivery, pero medyo pricey kasi yung delivery. So, if ever, if it happens na malapit kayo doon, so why not just drive there na lang, diba? If meron naman kayong car. So, next kong ipakita sa inyo, guys, next items in our, so, ayan. So, most of the time kasi dito, guys, is not free yung mga bag, yung mga shopping bags, diba? You need to bring your own or you need to pay. But, there, guys, these are free only. Ayun. And then, next, ipakita ko sa inyo is achara. I've been craving achara, guys, since last year. Ayan. Achara. Ano to siya? 3.5 euros ang magkanong grams nito. Basta, 3.5 euros. At ang isa nito, so dalawa ang binili namin kasi yung husband ko is, he also likes the achara. This one. Yan. Actually, dalawang flavor, dalawang klase papaya pickles. Achara or papaya pickles pala siya, guys, ha? For those who don't know. So, dalawa nang binili namin for 3.5 each euro. So, and then, dito din, condensed milk. 3 euros lang siya for, malaki na din, condensed milk. Ah, carnation. Yeah. Ayan, 410 grams. And ito din, para sa aking binignit, meron ako ditong muscovado sugar. Ayan, the muscovado sugar. So, ito yung mas brown pa sa brown sugar. So, ang price nito is 4 euro sa 500 grams. Ayan, 4 euro siya, guys. So, next, meron pa tayong iba. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito naman, guys, meron ako ditong mga sweet potato. Ayan, Philippine sweet potato. 4 pieces lang binili ko kasi mahal. Magkano yung bang binayad ko dito eh? Kalimutan ko. Basta 4 pieces to siya. Ayan. Although meron naman talagang sweet potato dito, guys, sa mga local supermarkets nila. Pero ayun, gusto ko lang itong matry. And then wala silang saban na katulad sa atin, guys. Wala siyang stock today. So ito lang. So plantain din naman ito, guys. So ayan. Ayoko na kasing bumili sa ibang shop, magpunta sa ibang shop. So ito na lang. Pwede naman din ito. Plantain din ito, guys. Nakatilaw na ako nito. Ayan. Ayan. 3 pieces to siya, guys. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko makuha. Ayan. Ayan. 3 pieces to siya. 3 pieces for 3 euros. Ayan. Natandaan ko ang price nito. So, next is itong mga noodles. Ito siya, guys. Mga noodles. Quick chow. Meron akong 6 pieces ng chicken. Ito, chicken flavor for 0.60 euro. 60 cent for 2 pieces na siya. Kasi nag-promo siya, guys. And 6 pieces of beef flavor na din ng quick chow. Ayan. So, mga 12 pieces na siya, guys. 12 pieces of instant noodles. Philippine instant noodles. Ayan. Kasi, malayo ang Antwerp, guys. Need pa namin bumiyahe, kaya bumili na lang ako ng marami puslan man, diba? So, next naman, guys, is para sa aking landang. Ito yung tapioca pearl. O, tapioca pearl pa pala yung pangalan dito. So, ayan. Yan, tapioca pearl. So, colored na siya, guys. Iba-ibang colored na daw ito. So, ito yung one of my ingredients for my landang this upcoming Good Friday para sa aking Holy Week traditional food. O, diba? Shout out sa mga Bisaya dyan. Ayan, ito na yun. Meron na akong plantain, banana, meron akong sweet potato, meron na din akong tapioca pearls. Ito na lang, guys. Kasi wala talagang ibang klaseng mga tapioca dito. Rest of sweet chili sauce, UFC sweet chili sauce. Ayan, like na like din namin ito, guys. This is also nice for your lumpia, you know. Also sometimes for your grilled or oven whatsoever, yung mga meat, especially lumpia, guys. This is good for lumpia. Sweet chili sauce. Ayan. Like bet namin. So ano yan sa amin? Good sa amin yan. And then bumili na din kami ng additional banana ketchup. So I still have 1 bottle here, which is I already opened it because the other one is already empty, because yeah, we bought last time 2 bottles for this, but then the other one is already empty. So ayun, meron na naman akong isa para hindi tayo kasi malayo pa yung bilihan natin dito, guys. And then magkano nga ba ito? This is 2 euros. 2 euros ang per bottle. And then this sweet chili sauce naman is 2.50 euros. So medyo pricey siya ng konti. Mga 50 cent lang naman ang ano niya. So ito naman is udong. Special udong. Ayan. Filipinos can relate. Do you know what it is? It is best with sardines. Ayan. Kinakain namin ito with sardines. At meron akong sardines na nabili ko dito sa local supermarket nila. Ayan, udong. So, mga pang sabaw-sabaw natin. Pati na din yung itong quick noodles. Ayan. Instant quick noodles. And 1 pack of munggo. So, magkano nga pala itong udong? Itong udong nga pala guys is 2.50 euros yata ang bili namin ito. Ayan. Ito lang. Mahal na no? Samantala, in Philippines, is very cheap. But, can't complain. Malayo pa kasi siya. Galing pa kasi sa malayo. At itong munggo beans naman siya for my soup. Ayan. Hilig tayo sa mga soup. Mga sabaw-sabaw. And, maliit na pakete. Mga 400 grams lang ng spaghetti sauce. Sweet style spaghetti sauce. Filipino style. Namiss ko na kasi guys. Iba kasi yung dito, spaghetti sauce nila. Medyo hindi tayo sanay. So, ayan. Although, marami naman talaga kami dito guys, mga spaghetti sauce na galing sa kanilang local shop. Kaya lang, hindi ko talaga bet. Hindi ko pa talaga siya bet. So, ayan. Bumili na ako ng isang 400 grams. Magkano nga pala isa niyan? This is 4 euros. So, nasa 240 pesos na, di ba? Ayan. Mahal, guys. Ang liit. And, ito din, ang paboritong breading, chicken breading ng Pilipino. Ang, crispy fry. So, ayan. Original flavor lang siya, guys. Kasi wala sila nung hot and spicy na flavor. Wala sila nun. So, original flavor lang. So, ayan. Bumili na kami ng 3 packs of this. So, magkano nga pala ito? 1 euro ang isa. 1 euro ang isa, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ready na tayo for fried chicken, Filipino style. Kasi, most of the time, if mag-fried chicken ako, guys, gumagawa lang ako, I'm just making my own breading mix. Minsan, ayan, nakakamiss lang talaga ang crispy fry. And, I also bought this powdered coconut milk. Ayan, coconut milk siya, guys. Coconut milk powder lang siya. So, ayun, mura lang siya, 1.50 euro. Tapos, 3 nang binili ko. Ayan, for, kasi, isa din kasi ito sa main ingredients ng ating binignit. So, ayan. Napabili na ako ng 3 para may spare pa ako if ever gusto kong magluto ng ibang putahe na may gata, di ba? Utan, ganun. At saka banana blossoms. Mahal ang banana blossoms, guys. Ayan. 1 euro ang isa. Ang liit lang. Ayan. 1 euro na siya. So, actually guys, most of the time, if we buy some Asian products, we go mostly to Sanwa. Pero kasi yung Sanwa, guys, is mixed na siya ba? It's a shop na, all Asian shops na siya. And then, sa rice, doon kami bumibili. Although, meron naman sa mga Filipino shops. Kaso, pagkakamali ko, guys, is nakalimutan kong magtingin sa presyo ng kanilang bigas. Kasi, we're not yet planning to buy rice. I still have newly opened sack of rice. Ayan. Kasi naubos na yung isang sack namin. Ayan. So, ayun. So, most of the time, if we go to Sanwa just to buy the rice, that is where we buy rice. So, ito nga pala yung rice namin, guys. Ayan. Thai jasmine rice. Ano na to siya? 10 kilograms for 24 euros. So, yun na nga. How about you guys for Filipinos na andito sa Europe or Belgium or nearby Belgium? What is the shop or your go-to shop if ever you're craving for some Filipino products, di ba? So hindi na lang ako bumili ng mga biscuit guys kasi ang mahal eh. Ang main purpose ko lang naman talaga sa pagpunta doon is bumili ng mga pang binignit na ingredients. So at least meron na akong sago, meron na akong coconut milk, at saka may noodles na din for quick quick chow. May quick chow na din for quick and instant soup, para pampainit sa ating tiyan. Lalo at madali lang siyang lutuin. Tapos meron akong saging na saba, ang laki. At saka sweet potato. And also, I've been looking for this one, the Muscovado sugar. 4 euros. 4 euros na siya for 500 grams. It's okay. Kasi hindi naman ako madalas magamit nito. So, occasionally lang, for this time lang. So, ayan. Pwede din ako magbiko niyan. So, at atsara. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Pang thumbnail, guys. Ayan. Meron na din akong atsara. 2 pieces of this. It's so fun. And actually, guys, I want to show you also. I'm very excited about this. Because, ito siya, guys. Sa wakas, nakabili ni din kami ng malunggay. Fresh malunggay, guys. Not dried one. So, ayan. Actually, we're planting malunggay, but it's still growing. So, ayan. We're trying to grow malunggay, guys. But, ayan. Ito lang muna siya. So, mahal to siya. 3.50 euros to siya, guys. Ito lang. Samantalang sa Pilipinas, it's free. We can just ask from the neighbor. So, mahal kasi hindi siya tumutubo dito. Ayan na, guys, ang aming mga nabili sa The Filipino Choice. So, in total, guys, ang nagastos namin is 77 euros in total. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung anong mga nabili namin. So, ayan, guys, ang mga nabili namin for 77 euros in total. So, meron pa doon sa freezer na yung pinakita ko kanina, the one that I showed earlier, the bangus, the milkfish, the taro flavor ice cream, and also yung chorizo di Cebu. So ayan lang mga nabili namin, guys. Bet na bet ko talaga to. I'm very happy with this one. So ayan. So hindi pala to siya condensed milk, iba pala to evaporada pala to. Ayan, I'm so happy with this as well. Tapos may munggo at udong na ako for my sabaw. And itong Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Ayan. Ito din, guys, you must try this. I would recommend you to try this for your lumpia sauce, dip sauce. Ayan. So, ayan na nga, guys. Ito na lang. Dito na tayo mag-end sa ating video, sa ating vlog. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating munting vlog today. And again, guys, if you're near Belgium or you're in Belgium, especially near Antwerp, so if ever you want to pre-order, you have some pre-order Filipino products, you can message Kuya, owner of this, The Filipino Choice shop. So, ayan. 1 year pa lang yung shop niya daw, guys. So, ay, magpunta kayo doon or mag-message kayo sa kanya or mag-order kayo sa kanya, especially Philippines mangoes or any other Filipino products na nag-crave kayo na namimiss nyo na as a Filipino, Comfort foods natin yun. So, mag-cheat tayo minsan kahit alam kong medyo pricey siya compare sa mga local products nila dito. So, sometimes, let's take a break. Kumain tayo ng ating mga products kasi nakakamiss nga naman talaga. So, ayun na nga, guys. I hope to see you again on the next vlog. And if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and see you on the next one. Bye!